Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Flow Foundation, in partnership with Young Women and Men of Purpose, has officially launched the REAP Entrepreneurship Program, a transformative initiative designed to equip aspiring entrepreneurs with the skills, confidence, and support needed to build sustainable and resilient businesses. The program was launched on January 7 at the Golden Shore Resort in licensed Morant Bay and represents a $5 million investment in entrepreneurial development. REAP will support 30 emerging entrepreneurs from St. Thomas through a 6-month journey running from December 2025 to May 2026, providing both practical training and holistic development opportunities. Participants will benefit from structured training modules covering key areas such as introduction to entrepreneurship, health and wellness for entrepreneurs, accounting for small businesses, marketing, and pitching for funding. The program also places strong emphasis on mentorship and exposure, offering participants business field trips, conference attendance, and technical support from Vision 2030 Jamaica agents through the Planning Institute of Jamaica. The Jamaica Mortgage Bank is preparing to enter the luxury one-bedroom apartment market. The bank will provide financing for the Avery, a boutique hilltop development in Kirkland Heights, St. Andrew. The 18-unit project will comprise one-bedroom suites priced at about US $335,000 or roughly 52 million Jamaican dollars, and deluxe studio units starting at US $236,000 or about $37 million. Developer Kirk Goss of Grand Concepts Property Holdings says the project is not focused on volume, but on delivering value through location, scale, and careful execution. The development is being marketed to investors, returning residents, and diaspora professionals seeking a property in a cool, quiet community located about 7 miles from the foot of Red Hills. For the trading period of January 12, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,236,707 units, or about 14.13% of market sales activities. Wigton Energy Limited with 1,705,880 units, or 10.78% of market sales activities. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited with 1,535,216 units, or 9.70% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, energy, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for January 12, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.66 and buying at $156.77. In the Canadian dollar, there were moderate gains supported by a $6.09 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $120.07 and was bought for $113.98. For the British pound, there was continued volatility, which offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.10 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.11 and was bought for $210.01. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, did you find your dream property? Well, luxury real estate approvals are driven less by desire, more by how your credit profile performs under scrutiny. For luxury property, if you're a member of the diaspora, if you're planning for retirement, or you just want to have your dream property, the lenders are going to assess you very differently. For luxury apartments, luxury real estate in general, they want to know how deep is your credit. How can you be consistent with payments? What is your other debt exposure? And can your income be durable? It's not just strong earnings. Lenders want to know what happens if one earning stream is different, so that's stability. They want to know how you spend, so they check your credit report to see restraint. And they need well-documented history. And that's going to show that you can manage long-term ownership. So when your credit report shows that you are credible, that you are calm, and that you can manage money, your luxury property, your dream property, becomes a strategic decision and not a long shot or a hope. In our funded and focused feature, we're looking at government contracts and government contracts as a way to have income stream, revenue stream, funding for your business. Before any government entity reviews pricing or technical capability, it confirms that a business legally exists. This means registration with the appropriate authority for companies, sole traders, and partnerships. Procurement systems cross-check business names, registration numbers, and dates against submitted documents. Even a minor mismatch, such as abbreviations or spelling differences, can cause disqualification. The goal is to ensure that the business owner understands how to confirm legal status, organize core documents, and maintain consistency across all procurement submissions, so that eligibility is never questioned at the first screening stage. So as an example, a client named Trevon started his solar installation business from a small office near Spanish Town, confident that being registered years ago was enough. When he first attempted to submit interest for a government repair project, he discovered his company's records didn't match the name on his invoices. Doing the process himself meant weeks of confusion and rejected uploads. However, with professional guidance, he corrected the records, aligned every document, and created a master file that ensured his business identity would never again block him at the first gate. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.